Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a searchable dropdown list in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly add dropdowns that not only make your sheets look more professional, but also make your data entry a whole lot faster and smoother. So if you're looking to organize information or just want to add a touch of interactivity to your spreadsheets, stick around, this is for you. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the Google Sheet you're working on and head over to the menu at the top. Click on Data and then look for the option called Data Validation. This is a really useful tool. Think of it like a gatekeeper that controls what kind of data can go into your cells. It keeps your sheet accurate and tidy, and it's how we'll set up our searchable dropdown. Once you're in data validation, you'll need to add a new rule. Don't worry if this sounds a little technical, just look for a button or link that says Add Rule and click it. Now, Google Sheets will prompt you to select the cell where you want the dropdown to appear. Just click on the cell you want to use. If you've got a whole column or a range in mind, you can select more than one cell as well. Wherever you add this, that's where people will be able to search and pick from your dropdown list. Next up, you'll need to tell Google Sheets what kind of restriction you want. In the Criteria section, choose Dropdown from a range. This part is really important. It's what makes your dropdown dynamic and searchable. Instead of typing out each option manually, you're telling Sheets to look at another set of cells that contain all the possible choices for your dropdown. So go ahead and click the selector to choose your data range. Let's say you have a list of employee names in cells A2 to A20, you'd select that range. If you use the range, any changes you make to your source list will automatically update in the dropdown, which is super handy if your data changes often. After you've chosen your range, click Done. You'll notice right away that your selected cell now has a little dropdown arrow. When you click it, not only will you see all the options from your list, but you'll also notice a super helpful feature, a search bar at the top. This means you can start typing and the dropdown will instantly narrow down your choices. For big lists, like if you have dozens or even hundreds of items, this search function makes it so much quicker to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through everything. And just like that, you've created a searchable dropdown list in Google Sheets. Take a second to test it out. Click the dropdown, type a few letters, and watch how it filters your choices. If you don't see your option, double-check your data range to make sure everything is included. And remember, you can always go back into data validation and tweak the settings if you want to change your dropdowns options later on. So that wraps up our quick guide on making your Google Sheets more interactive and user-friendly with searchable dropdowns. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more advanced Google Sheets tips, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.